When your book gets published, you want people to buy it and read it no matter where they are. That's why distribution is such a big deal. At Notion Press, we make sure that your book is available across multiple platforms, so no matter where your readers are, your book is just a click away. In India, your book can be made available on all major e-commerce platforms like Amazon.in, Flipkart and the Notion Press store. Depending on your chosen publishing plan, readers can buy your book in ebook, paperback or hardcover format. This ensures that your book is easily accessible to readers across the country. Want to sell your book beyond India? Through Amazon's global network, your book can be made available in key international markets like US, UK, Canada, France and Japan. This means that your book can reach readers worldwide, which can expand your audience. Notion Press also has exclusive partnership with Ingram. Ingram is one of the largest book distributors in the world, supplying books to 30,000 plus stores and libraries across 150 plus countries. This means that your book can reach readers in Europe, North America, Australia and more, and can be made available in any format. And why does distribution matter? The more places your book is available, the higher your chances are of selling more copies and growing your readership. With Notion Press's India, International and Ingram distribution services, your book isn't just published, but is positioned to reach readers worldwide. You don't have to worry about delayed stock or running short of copies. Notion Press works with various print partners across the globe to ensure that your book is printed to order and delivered to your buyer on time. This ensures that the latest version of your book is always available when readers order it from the Notion Press store or any other e-commerce website. Have any more questions about our distribution services? Let us know in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!